Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get free private servers in Roblox. So let's get started. If you want to create a private server in Roblox without paying the usual server fee, you'll need access to Roblox Plus. At the time of recording, Roblox may offer a free trial of Roblox Plus to eligible users. If a trial isn't available on your account, you'll need to subscribe to Roblox Plus first. To get started, open Roblox and go to the More section. From there, select Roblox Plus and look for a Try It for Free option if one is available. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter the required details to activate the trial or subscription. After activating Roblox Plus, you can cancel the automatic renewal if you don't want to be charged when the trial period ends. This allows you to use the available benefits during the trial period without forgetting about future billing. Next, return to the Roblox homepage and open the game for which you want to create a private server. On the Games page, click the Player or Server section and choose Create Private Server. Before creating the server, check that the private server is included with your Roblox Plus membership. If the normal price is crossed out and shows that it's included, proceed by clicking Create. Once the server has been created, click the pencil icon to customize it. You can edit the server name, adjust available settings, and make any other changes you prefer. After saving your settings, return to the server page and click Join to enter your new private Roblox server. You now have your own private Roblox server where you can play with friends or enjoy the game without public players joining. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.